This is just a short little video to show you how to make one of these little placeholder envelopes for people whose dislocation puzzles hasn't arrived yet. So you're going to start with the full unfolded sheet of paper. I find it quite useful to make a centre line. You don't have to, but it's quite handy to give yourself something to line it up against. Then you once the paper's folded in half like that, start by folding these corners over, making it a bit like a paper aeroplane. You want to do all four corners, fold them over towards the centre, make sure they're nice and straight, give them a good crease, flip it around 180 degrees and do this side as well. So once you've got your hexagon shape, I suppose, you flip it around and fold the two sides towards the centre, which will give you this long, narrow shape. And having that centre line right in the middle just helps you see exactly where you're folding up to. So then flip it around to one of these ends, and you want to fold this end over and crease it along there. Same with the other side. So then this is where we flip it over. There's a gap, a box in the centre here that you can write your own message in, and then my message will be underneath that. And there's this dotted line across the top here, so we're just going to fold it over on this dotted line down there. It won't quite line up with this dotted line at the bottom, that's intentional. So then flip it around, and then we're going to fold along this dotted line here and fold that up to there. So that's all the basic folding done, but now you just want to take this corner and tuck it in under that flap on that side, and this corner tuck it in on that side, fold the whole thing nice and flat, and there you go, a little placeholder envelope which you can give to anyone who hasn't unfortunately received their dislocation puzzle yet. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.